how did you like the animation workshop?
I liked it a lot because we got the chance to talk with someone who does a lot of animations. She gave us advice, she gave us basically like guidelines so that we could still do what we wanted. Like, she didn't restrict what we wanted to do. She just gave us a couple of tips, maybe do this and this and this, but still gave us like an open door to do a lot of creativity.
It was awesome.
Yes, it was amazing.
I mean, there were no classes, so that's perfect, I guess.
We were free, so
And we could do whatever we liked, so we could choose what kind of technique we would use, so that was great.
I like it very much. It was very interesting.
How did you like the Špela?
Oh, Špela. She was actually really nice. She would like support us in whatever we did, so that was great. And she was really talkative. I was kind of scared we would both be quiet and it would be kind of really awkward. But she was okay.
well, yeah, I agree actually.
Yeah, she's nice. She seems nice. You know, she helps a lot.
Have nice comments on your work. Yes, she's
She's pushing us really hard.
Do you think you learned something new?
Yeah,
Definitely. That stop motion is very. You need time, a lot of time.
So it's the frame by frame
Yes.
technique. And like we never really did anything with in classes, so it was the first time we animated anything. So yeah, we learned a lot.
I like it.
Would you recommend this workshop for next year's students?
Oh, absolutely, because it's a lot of fun. You get to meet a lot of people.
Here, like for students?
yes, of course.
Yeah, for those who are interested, of course.
In animation, in drawing,
It's much better than a week of school.
Definitely.
Definitely, yes.
Good.